all I can say is wow. Did you enjoy that? Even on my phone, that HDR footage and the lens flares and the sun setting. Oh, that's gorgeous. Yeah, I flew it today in conditions I would never be able to fly the Mavic Mini. I flew it further. It was way too windy, like 15-20 mile per hour winds. Yeah. I actually like the bigger size of the drone. I didn't think I would. It's not too big. It's not like it's crazy to travel with or anything. Still a pretty small bag and all that. The bigger size helps with legally flying, actually. You know how you're supposed to keep like line of sight on your drone at all times. I was able to see this one better, and because it's bigger. Could also just be because it's like a little bit darker gray, I think. The Mini has a very like light gray, so sometimes when it gets like a gray sky or a little darker or whatever else, not ideal conditions, because it's so small, it's a little bit harder to see and to legally fly. But yeah, because of the bigger size, it's easier to obey the law. Man, what a gorgeous day. Look at the sunset. this crappy iPhone too. But oh man. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked the video. If you did, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe for more videos like this. We'll have tips and tricks and tutorials on the Mavic Air 2, the Mavic Mini. I'll probably sell my Mini and upgrade to a Mini 2, honestly. So, more in the future. Anyways, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.